How to add a workplace in Facebook. So if you've recently got a new job, I'm going to show you how to add this to your Facebook profile. Now the first step is to load up the Facebook app, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, and then click on the settings wheel. From the settings page, scroll down to audience and visibility and click on profile details. Now select add work experience, click on workplace name, and then go and type in the company that you've started work for. Now if you see the company in the list, you can simply go and select it, and then you can fill in the information about your job type. Now, if you're searching for a company that doesn't exist on Facebook, then what you'll need to do to add this is to go over to a laptop or computer, and you'll need to go and add it from there instead. So you can't do this from the Facebook app, but on a computer, it will let you go and add a custom workplace. So once you've filled in all of this information, just press save at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, we have now added this workplace to our Facebook profile.